Welcome to the final day of Thought Experiment Month with 90-Second Philosophy and Carneades.org. Today we're going to be looking at the Plank of Carneades. Now, this isn't an important or terribly influential thought experiment, but it is a thought experiment proposed by Carneades of Cyrene, who this website is named after. So I felt like it'd be important to include. This is a thought experiment in ethics. It contrasts the difference between self-defense and murder and pushes the limits of what we would define as self-defense. Let's take a look. Imagine you're on a sailing ship sailing o'er the seas, and all of a sudden, a bolt of lightning strikes the ship, a fire breaks out, and the ship is destroyed. You're swimming in the ocean, and you notice a single plank that's left. It's the last plank that's left that hasn't been burned. You swim up to the plank, but all of a sudden, another sailor grabs onto the plank too. You both realize very quickly that the plank isn't going to support both of your weight, but it could support a single one of you. What do you do? Is it morally permissible to kill the other sailor out of self-defense? If we define self-defense as you would die if you didn't do it, it seems like this classifies. What if the other sailor made it to the plank first? You'd still die if you didn't kill him. Is it permissible to steal his plank and kill him? And then, of course, the next question is, could you steal someone else's organs to save your own life? What is the important difference between this situation and the sailors and the planks? That was the Plank of Carneades. Next up is a special Halloween surprise. Watch all 32 thought experiments from this month at Carneades.org and stay skeptical, everybody.